Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do this quick video to let you guys in on the next live stream. The next live stream I'll be doing Saturday, AEST time, at about 11 a.m. Saturday morning, AEST. And what I'm going to be talking about in this live stream, I'm going to be answering questions about on comics, like on creating comics, on how to draw them, how to create them, and of course how you can make money off them. So yeah, I want to do this video, give you guys a chance to come up with some really good questions that you want to ask me, especially if you're interested in, trying to make money off your comics yourself. Anyway, you don't want to miss that. That is Saturday the 27th, AEST time, 11 a.m. See you then. Oh, and of course, in other news, there is still plenty of time to get your hand-drawn entries in for the Almighty Eye drawing competition. Just simply email me at melrosejryan, all in small letters, at yahoo.com.au to enter. It's got to be a hand-drawn art of Almighty Eye. The top 10 winners receive a link to download the latest Almighty Eye graphic novel for free, and also will have a chance to have that art featured in a future upload. So yeah, don't miss out. Free comic. Who can say no to that? All right, I'll see you Saturday.